guys, and welcome back to Just Do It Art. Today we're going to be making a slime using 4 ingredients: flour, water, baking soda, and oil. Alright, let's begin. First, scoop in 2 tablespoons of plain flour into your bowl. Then add in the water. If you want, you can also add in some paint. So I'm going to add in some blue paint. And you can also add in glitter if you want. Alright, so let's mix it up a bit. Good. That looks nice. Oh, and remember, if you added in too much water, like me, you can always add in some more flour. So I'm gonna add in some more because this is kind of a bit too oily. And now, since it's blue and kind of looks a bit plain, we're going to add in some glitter. So I'm gonna add in some silver glitter. Oh, let me just, alright. Get this in. So I'll see you when I'm ready. Now that you've finished your slime, I've added everything I need. And now all you need to do is make a hole in the middle and add in some olive oil. So I already did that, but as you can see, we just have to mix it up. So I'm gonna mix this galaxy slime and it's gonna look really cool and everything. So I'll see you when I'm done. So now I've finished adding in all the oil, and as you can see, it's gone very stretchy and a really nice, it's not like sticky anymore, it's like really nice and I really like it. So now you're going to let it down and add a pinch of baking soda, and then that'll just keep it very it won't dry out really quickly. So the baking soda will make it dry out and it'll be really, really cool. Alright, so that's it for now. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.